Ridicule LLC presents a Molière Celebration. A relatively brief but lucrative ICE surge into West Virginia netted roughly 650 illegal immigrant arrests recently. A 2-week statewide operation, officials say, unfolded with little disruption and now stands as a counterpoint to the turmoil surrounding similar enforcement efforts in Minnesota. This is a breath of fresh mountain air from the mountain state, West Virginia. The coveted Molière Celebration is awarded to West Virginia State Attorney General J.B. McCuskey for his admirable support of legitimate ICE efforts to apprehend and bring criminals to justice. It's also heartening to see cooperation from local law enforcement leaders, such as Jefferson County Sheriff Thomas Hanson, who confirmed a 2-week operation with ICE. The Jefferson County Sheriff's Office was impressed with the professionalism and work ethic of the agents and how well they interacted with the citizens and local law enforcement officers, Hanson said. In stark contrast, consider the outrageous situation in Minnesota, where Keith Ellison, the state AG, is under scrutiny for actually conspiring with perpetrators of fraud instead of prosecuting them. Yes, it's that Clinton Foundation blowing the whistle on Minnesota Attorney General Ellison. All the while, Bill and Hillary are trying to stonewall the House investigation on Bill's relationship with Jeffrey Epstein. From the 30,000-foot view, we must observe that the Minnesota stance is emblematic of the great divide between the blue and red states. The divide reflects identity politics and the tug-of-war between the major parties. For some commentators, the uniparty. Democrats versus Republicans. Cities versus rural areas. Nearly 50-50 division between the parties in statewide offices, such as governors, attorney generals, senators, and in the House of Representatives. This delicate balance has produced few leaders who prioritize what's good for the country above their own re-election campaigns or party loyalty. It's no wonder that our national stasis has resulted in government shutdowns and runaway growth in the national debt. And that's before we even get into the political weaponization of the federal courts. Coming full circle, we can only hope that the chief law enforcement officers, the state attorneys general, can see their way to supporting efforts to enforce the laws on the books. We thank West Virginia Attorney General J.B. McCuskey for stepping into the breach, in contrast to those who undermine the law while failing in their sworn duties to do so. We would appreciate if you would not only like and subscribe our Ridicule LLC channel, but join our newsletter on the website MoliereCitations.com. Thanks for watching.